Beautiful.
Big baby.
Big baby.
You play guitar on the bike.
Hvala vam. Partly cloudy, but beautifully warm Monday, and we are meeting people from the Netherlands. Mooi fiets. We had some fun. Thank you. Thank you well. Have a nice vacation. Netherlands, we love you forever. Without Netherlands, without Amsterdam, I would not be here, because inspiration for these pieces appeared in Amsterdam in 2017. I was first drawing of the first guitar bike in the world, and I was dreaming that maybe it would be technically possible to build it. Maybe we can have a nice street art. Now we are here physically, and we play this instrument, and so far we have 3,436 guitarists who have played this instrument on the street, always for free. This is special YouTube and Instagram 1 Point Guitar Bike, only for people who play this instrument. So check it out. And everybody is welcome. If you can play the guitar, please come to Puerto and play. Another Canadian from Nova Scotia, from Halifax. I would say this is invasion, Canadian invasion.
Invasions of the Nova Scotians.
Lovely to meet you. This is thank you.
I always keep my promise.
Hrvatska, Zagreb. Kako ste? Dobro, odlično. Slikaj foto, slikaj. I'm a little bit afraid. She's lovely, she's beautiful. Jage now. Wow, očivisto. Wow, she's so big. Beautiful. Big baby.
You play guitar on the bike.
Hvala vam. Miguel de Colombia. Viva la música. Paula is walking El Nino. So happy about it. Let's say hello to professionals. Hola televisión. So thank you. Thank you for walking El Nino. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. We spread beauty and positive energy, vibrations from this beautiful place, from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife. If you decide to support us, thank you very much. There are links in every description of the video for club and PayPal. Thank you very much. As a club members, you can see uncutted videos in full quality with the drone flying as the birds, you know, you can feel like the birds. Thank you, all the best, and viva la música!